Hi everybody, yes, another video on the DJI Flight app 1.3.0. So this is going to be a potentially short one. So I've had a good look through the app, and aside from the fact that it's added DJI support for the FPV drone or anything that might entail, any simulators or anything to do with that drone, I can see absolutely no difference for the DJI Mavic Mini or the Mini 2. So if you want to know what the difference is that comes with this app, this is a short video and simply nothing, okay? And don't forget, just in case you see any videos elsewhere from any of the YouTubers, apps do not affect flight performance in any way. I know I stressed that yesterday, but if you see anybody complaining that suddenly the drones don't work correctly, or they're drifting, or they've got poor battery life or anything like that, or crap signal, that's not the case. App updates don't affect those things, only firmware do, and this isn't a firmware update, it's an app update. So the long and short of it is that one's finished. Now if you want to switch off now, you are more than welcome, because that is the answer that you've probably been looking for. However, if you want to watch me take the DJI Mavic Mini out for a little flight, because I've not flown here for a little while, then continue on this video and we'll start that section now. So I thought I'd test out the new 1.3.0 DJI Fly app. So let's click Profile, Settings. There you go, 1.3.0 925 official. Okay, so let's come back out of there and let's go fly. So today I've brought the DJI Mavic Mini out of retirement. Didn't see any reason not to use it. Obviously it works on the same settings and same app as the DJI Mini 2 and the Air 2 and now the FPV drone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start a recording and let's go for a little flight.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I do love that scream of the Mavic Mini. I think it sounds utterly fantastic. Let's get some height. So we're a little bit windy here today, but nothing too bad. This drone can cope perfectly fine with it. Contrary to popular belief that the Mini 2 is so much better with wind. I don't mean to upset some people at times, but the Mavic Mini does perform pretty well on its own. So not the best of weather. I am absolutely freezing to death. Now, if you are watching this video and you haven't yet downloaded the new app, there will be a link to the video where I show you how to do that. So we don't need to go that far then, just testing it out. And truth be told, I've actually been out here for a good 30 minutes, 40 minutes, because I've been doing some other flying and testing some other bits and pieces. And there is going to be a fun challenge coming up. See if you want to get involved with that. Really, really interesting. So there is a ship there. Now, truth be told, I've just filmed that ship. So let's just leave it to hover for a second then, and let's look in the menu and settings. Let's see if I can see anything new. Everything looks the same to me. As you can see, we've got absolutely no interference out here whatsoever. And we are on that latest app update. Right then, so let's go for a little flight round. Go in and have a look at this lighthouse here. It's right in front of me. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little quick flight just to test everything out and make sure that nobody's getting any daft errors or warnings or anything like that, because that wouldn't be good. There we go, so let's come down slightly. And what should we do? Should we get in a little bit closer? Do a little circle around. Morning. Do you reckon to that? What do you think could do a better job, me or a quick shot for that little circle around there? I wonder. Well, you might find out soon enough. But that's coming in another video. Oh, there's a coming out here, so let's have a little fly out. The camera makes it look really, really far, but actually it's not really. I've done a couple of videos today with the Mavic Mini. Good to see it back on the channel. See, this is the daft thing about visual line of sight being 500 meters. I can see this drone. Literally see it positioned in front of the ship. You know, when you've got a marker, and I've got some flashing lights on it, but yeah, I can literally see the drone. And what am I, 700 meters away? And this looks like it's the Avera. I do love the Mavic Mini. It can give you such smooth cinematic footage. So I've just got a little distracted and went to film that ship. Again, the second ship today. I do, like I say, wish it was sunny weather. I do love this Mavic Mini. And the drone has done absolutely fantastic. I can't see any new features, but yeah, it's all good. The drone that grew this channel. That's it, guys. I'm not entirely sure I can say or do much else. You know, it looks to me like this app seems to be absolutely fine. No new features. Just seems to me like it's just as we already knew, just to add support for the FPV drone. Right, so I'll end the video there. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you on the next one.